Good night. My name is Mayra Gonzalez, and I am going to tell you about the story that my colleague Maria Fernanda Sanchez shared with us. The metaphor you are nothing more than a hunted dog that cries all the time is used to compare someone to a hunting dog that is constantly crying to emphasize their negative or whiny attitude. Your story effectively demonstrates how the metaphor can be applied in a real life context and emphasize the importance of maintaining a balanced and constructive approach in a professional setting. It serves as a valuable reminder of the impact one's behavior and attitude can have on the workplace and the need for effective communication and problem solving to maintain a positive work environment. Three pieces of advice to my partner from experience. One, have tolerance because you will meet all kinds of people along the way. Two, try to help your partner change her attitude, but also make sure to take care of yourself in the process. And three, let them know in a respectful way that you prefer to maintain a positive and constructive work environment. If they do not understand, then establish limits with that person. The lessons that led my parents' experience search for solutions instead of complaining. The importance of attitude management in the work environment, which must remain positive and constructive. And professionalism and maintaining focus on your work tasks and goals despite distractions or negative attitudes from others. That's all. Thanks for your attention. Bye.